Good day. How are you? Thank you so much for being here. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed at the amount of views I even get on one video that's 7 or 10 people. I'm trying to remain humble and grateful and just in a place where I can share my gifts and I get something out of it too. So, so we are the same. We're the same tribe, and I hope you like the background noise. It's kind of like meditation music. Anyway, that's so. What do we have today? Soul searching about the pain they cause. Someone's soul searching about the pain they cause. That's good. There's some soul searching about the pain they cause. Plotting now. Somebody's plotting, but plotting prayers. That's cool. Using prayers instead of plotting evil. What have you been focusing on? That's what we're going to see show up. That's that one. You've chosen you. You'll see the best of you. You'll be so happy. You'll be excited. You'll be able to share something about earth here. Maybe you've been grounding yourself. You've grounded your ideas. You've chosen you and you put your feet in the grass, or you've gotten outside. There's a bird flying by right now, a white bird. Prayers, prayers, prayers. Oh, wow. Judgment sneaking in here. Rebirth, integration, development, and restoration. Restoration's final come. Something about a soul tie. Walk and talk what it is that lingers. Oh, walk and talk what it is that you say it is. So you're going to have what you say. And your soul tie. Lingering issues about maybe not living up to your code of honor. There's a weight here that hopefully you release. Release it. Judgment's here. Judgment. The horn sounding. Oh! What in the hickory dickory dock? Judgment is here. Rebirth, integration, development, restoration. Let go of what does not serve you. 6. There's nothing on this card except the number 6. So whatever that means to you. Now there is 4 dots, 4 sticks, so that's foundation. And that's love, so self-love. 6 is like the Lover's card. It's positive movement forward. It's moving away. Somebody moving you away. It's after change, the difficult change, going through the things that people have said, the things that you've done, things that maybe you've done to retaliate, things that maybe people have done to you, maybe things from just really painful memories and such. Making it through that actions you took, the love you lost, the passing away of people you love, and haven't really found who you are, what you're made of, transmuting and transforming those areas that need to be adjusted, like a chiropractor, straightening you up, but from the inside, that adjustment, because those chakras need to be lined up so that you can lift those hands up higher. He wants to take us higher. Prayers are answered. Prayers answered. Affirm, I am always surrounded by positive and peaceful people. Affirm that. You need to, that's where the higher elevation's taking you. To people who are positive and peaceful. Peaceful, just like you. Soul searching. Choose you. Focus on you and the things that you're supposed to do while with your feet on this earth. Okay, and people are soul searching about too the way that they treated you. Soul searching and soul tie, something about the soul. Get right with your soul. Great power is, here's a sort of truth. That's the truth. Great power, great responsibility, clarity, truth, victory, power surge, new beginning, another new beginning. So here we go with this judgment. New beginning with truth now. Not hiding from the truth, but holding the truth to be self-evident. Okay, that all men are created equal as far as God created us all that way. We're not going to fall for the lie that we're less than. We are enough. We're more than enough. We are more than conquerors through him that love us. God loves us, and he calls us to love one another and to forgive, even the ugly, okay? Even the